Hello and welcome to Co-Learning Lounge presents IPL Fantasy Team of the Day, and I'm your host Natalia Agarwal. So here we are with a very exciting match. That's the 15th game of this IPL season between challengers from Bangalore, that is RCB, and Rajasthan's Rajwade RR. So here we are with our Fantasy 11 along with their alternatives. So first going with the batsman whom we have in store. We have Virat Kohli, Steve Smith, A.H. Finch, D. Padikkal. So these are our batsmen. Now, why we have selected Kohli? He has been in poor form in the tournament, so definitely, but he is a great player. So definitely he's one of our picks for 15, but couldn't make to our 11. Steve Smith, poor in last game, but has been good in the tournament so far. So I think so that it would be unfair to miss him out. Even data is not in favor of missing him out. We have AJ Finch, good in the tournament so far. D. Padikkal, if he bats in the first innings, he has done well. So Steve Smith, AJ Finch, and D. Padikkal make to a fantasy 11. Kohli is in a 15, but definitely not in 11 right now. Moving towards keepers, we have AB de Villiers, SB Sampson, and JC Butler. So why Villiers? He picks himself. We don't need a specific reason for that. Sanju Samson, poor in last game, but has been good in the tournament so far. So it's again unfair to miss him out. And JC Butler has been poor in the last 2 games he has played. So definitely he misses out the spot for Fantasy 11. But definitely he's a pick for Fantasy 15. He is one of the alternatives as a keeper. So we have AB de Villiers and Sanju Samson for the keeper position in our Fantasy 11 team. Moving towards all-rounder, we have S. Dubey, R. Tewatia, and Washington Sundar. So S. Dubey bowls as minimum of 2 overs and handy with the bat as well. So he's one of the pick. Tewatia, handy with bat and ball, and has been doing pretty good in the tournament. So definitely you won't like to miss him out. Washington Sundar had an amazing spell in the last game. Can be picked in place of Dubey, but misses out because he bats lower down. So do keep that point also in mind. So we have Dubey, Tewatia making to our Fantasy 11, but definitely Sundar is an alternative, but misses out to be in Fantasy 11. Moving towards our bowler, we have Yuzvendra Chahal, T.K. Kavan, N. Saini, A. Zampa, and Jofra Archer. So Chahal picks an average 1 to 2 wickets in the game. So definitely he is going to give you 25 to 50 points on an average. We have Tom Curran. He picks himself. You don't need a reason why he could be missed out. And Saini, really good with ball in hand. A. Zampa might not get as much assistance in the morning game, can be picked in place of Saini if conditions suits him. Jofra Archer has been excellent with the bat and ball, and definitely he takes at least 2 wickets in a game. So picks for Fantasy 11 bowlers are Yuzvendra Chahal, Tom Curran, N. Saini, and Jofra Archer. So quickly a recap on our picks for Fantasy 11. On batsman's side, we have Steve Smith, AJ Finch, and D. Padikkal. On keeper, we have AB de Villiers, Sanju Samson. All-rounder, we have Dubey and Tewatia. For bowler, we have Chahal, Karan, Saini, and Jofra Archer. So guys, we are here for next 20 minutes to answer any of your queries, any confusions, or your feedback and suggestion. Do let us know if you have any confusion in selecting the team. Our team is here to help you out. So, and thanks a lot for your love, your subscription, and all the support that you have given to our channel. Please continue the same. Along with that, join our WhatsApp and Telegram group for the updates on post toss team. That is between 7 to 7:20. We would be posting the updates, whatever are there. And now moving towards the best part of the day, that is pro tip. So what's the pro tip of the day? That's when confused in picking 2 batsmen, pick the one in the top 3, as the 3 batsmen have the best chance to face more balls and hence get a higher score. So they will give you more points. So that's the pro tip of the day. Guys, don't miss out on again subscribing or checking out our channel, and we will meet soon for the next game also. Thank you.